So, hello and welcome, programmers. Today, we would be learning about the basic structure or the basic memory implementation, or we can say that how a C function or how a C program works. So, what is the main working behind the C program? This we would learn in today's video. So, with this, we would start our video. So, here you can see is a C program written. So, how does this program work, or what is the working of this program? Is that first of all, it does not look at this, for example, that is function 2 or void function 1. No, it finds the main function. Okay, after that, when it gets with the main function, it will print in main function. Okay, guys, then it would call function 1. Okay, though, so after that there would be a function called to function 1. So from the main function we are going to function 1. Okay, guys, and after that, okay, so let us assume our output screen to be first of all this print statement. Okay, guys, there is a print statement. First of all, there is a print statement, then there is a call to the main function. Okay, so what does this function 1 do is int a is equal to 9 and print in function 1. Okay, a is equal to %d slash n comma a. This means that we are printing the value of a, means it would print this line. Okay, guys, so this line comes here, that is a is equal to 9, and after that the function again goes to function 2. From here function 2 is here. Okay, and what do we see in function 2? First of all, there is a print statement. Okay, so it would run to the print statement. So third option, after at the third there would be a print statement, that is welcome to function 2. Okay, and after that int b is equal to 18, but here there is no print statement, so only three statements would be printed. That is the main statement that is being written in the main function, and then a function 1, and after that a function call to function 2. So let's check out what does. So guys, if we see the output, we get the first line as in the main function. After that, the line is in function 1, a is equal to 9, and then the subsequent call to the function 2, that is welcome to function 2, has been printed. That means everything is going according to the main function, and the prior function calls are being made from the main function after the main function gets executed. When we execute a program, it always starts from the main function, and program may call subsequent functions if necessary. So the information about which function is currently executing and after its execution where the control should go is maintained by the stack area. The set of values pushed for one function call is termed as a stack frame or an activation record. A stack frame consists of a minimum of a return address. All the local variables used by the function are pushed onto the stack in the stack frame of a particular function whenever required. So guys, there is an area that is named as stack in which the information about the function that is being executed currently, and after that where the function control or the where the program control flow should go is maintained by that area, and all the variables that are local variables are pushed over to the stack whenever a function currently executing function is being run onto the stack. So now let's get back to our program and check out how this stack works. So first of all, there is a stack for the main function, that is the starting point of a C program. Then there would be a function, no, there is a print statement before that function. So that print statement would be executed first. In the output we would be seeing this statement that is in main function. Okay, guys, and after that, when it's been executed, it no longer remains into the stack. It gets popped off from the stack, and after that there is a call to function 1. Okay guys, so when there is a call to function 1, the local variables of the function are pushed over to the stack, which means that a is equal to 9 would be pushed onto the stack, and the value, that is the print statement in the function 1, would be printed as in function 1, and the value of a that has been stored in the variable would be printed on the output screen. After the execution of function 1, there is a call to function 2, but not from the main function, it's from the function 1. So now the program control flow goes to the function 2, where it finds another print statement and an initialized local variable as 18. So now this prints the contents of the function 2, and our control flow stops at that point. After that, when the function 2 has been executed in the stack, as we have learned, there also exists a return address. Then it gets returned to the main function, and after that there is no prior call that is being made to another function. So since we have learned about stack, now we would see a condition of stack overflow. Okay, so what is this stack overflow means? Okay, what is the meaning of overflow? When something does not gets occupied in a particular container or thing. For example, a bucket of water, when it gets full, it gets overflowed, means it cannot store more amount of water in it. It can only store a limited amount of water. Same is the case with our memory. Our memory is also limited. So if you see this program, it is the previous program only, but I have made a little modification in here. Okay, I have first of all, as we can understand about the stack frame, main function loads up into the stack. Okay, I would write here as numbering 1. After that it would print 2. It would print this statement. After that it would go to function 1. So where is function 1? Here. There would be a call to function 1. After that it would print third, that is in function 1 a is equal to, that is 9. It would print 9. After that it would go to function 2. So where is function 2? There is our function 2. Okay, then it would initialize b to 18, and then after it would go to function, again it would go to function 1. So after going to function 1, it again does these things, that is prints the value, and then there is a function called to function 2, and then again to function 1, and then again to function 2. So this process continues till infinity, until our memory, all the memory gets exhausted up. Okay, so this condition arises and is known as stack overflow, when it cannot handle information that it cannot store. Okay, stack overflow condition occurs then. So these type of programs that are calling again and again each other are known as recursive program, and due to which this function will execute till infinity is a recursive function. This whole is a recursive function, and this condition generates a stack overflow. So guys, I hope you like the video, and if you have any doubts regarding this, please comment below. So thanks for watching.